Hello and welcome to this tips and techniques video from Master Your Photography. In this series we've carefully crafted a collection of short videos designed to provide you with key points on specific topics without any of the unnecessary waffle. Our goal is to give you practical information that you can immediately apply to your own photography. We understand that your time is precious, so we've condensed each video to deliver concise, actionable information. With our tips and techniques series, you'll gain the knowledge and the confidence to improve your photography in no time at all. So, that's probably enough waffle, let's get started. Today's tip is all about leading lines and how you can use them to make your compositions more engaging and captivating. Leading lines are a great compositional tool that helps to guide the viewer's eye through an image, sometimes from foreground to background, sometimes from one side to the other. Leading lines don't have to be actual physical lines within the image. Quite often they do follow the line of a path or some trees or something like that, but they don't have to be, they can be just implied. One particularly effective way of using leading lines is to help to draw the viewer's eye towards the subject, usually in the background of a photograph. An image can have multiple leading lines, and sometimes they will be curved, they will be diagonal, they will be converging, but they will all lead into the same point and guide the viewer's gaze. Leading lines don't have to go to an end point where your subject is. Your subject can sit along a leading line. It doesn't have to be the end point. You can have multiple types of leading line within an image, diagonal, vertical and horizontal, and they all help to convey different types of movement or stability within the image. It's really powerful if you combine the use of leading lines with other compositional tricks, such as the rule of thirds. So use the leading lines to guide the viewer to that third point within your image. A leading line can create depth in the image. It can lead the viewer from the foreground, swoop right round into the background, and then direct them precisely to your subject. Sometimes leading lines aren't immediately obvious. An image such as this looks on the face of it to be quite complex, but there are some definite leading lines creating depth within the image. You can tell a story with your images by using leading lines. In this case, the lines show us where the car has come from. Thank you for tuning in to Master Your Photography's Tips and Techniques series. We hope you found this video useful and practical. Remember, each photo you take is a stepping stone towards becoming a better photographer. So, get out there and capture the world in your own unique way. Until next time, happy shooting.